order Domino's.
I'm not ordering pizza for dinner for the 1000th time. We are not ordering pizza.
We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning, I'll never see you hurt. You know I can't explain it in a way of words. We both know that you'll understand, and you'll see if you take my hand, and I'll go out of my own way for you.
Good morning. Roman and I are at Panera and we are eating our little treats, and we are going to run a couple errands and then go pick up kids from school. He really wants this thing to vibrate really bad. Right, Roman?
That one.
Yeah? I'm so hungry. So hungry. I didn't have breakfast. Shame on mommy. How's that drink going for ya? Cold?
Yeah. And it's soda.
We heard the fire truck, or not the fire truck, the ice cream truck earlier this morning, didn't we?
Yeah, Mommy.
Where'd your shoes go? Why'd you take your shoes off? Because you want to run around the fountain?
Yeah.
Oh, show me. Woo! So fast. Go, Roman, go! Dude, that was so fast. You were like the Flash. The birdie pooped on the chair?
That
Ew. So I'm hoping this bird right here does not poop on us. But I am right in its path. I think I'm gonna move. I don't trust him.
Mommy, let's go home.
You wanna go home?
Yeah.
Why?
Poopy, let's go home.
The birdie poopied, so you wanna go home? Birdie is not nice.
Poop in my head.
The birdie pooped on your head?
Yeah.
How'd you get it out? Like that? Oh, that's good.
I got it.
You got it all? Let me see. Ew! That's gross. Oh, and you wipe it on your shirt?
Yeah.
That's even grosser.
Yeah, Butcher. It is better, Mike. Oh, yeah. One is better.
It's better?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that for me?
Yeah.
Hey, I need you to do me a favor, okay? Roman, come here. It's really important. You see this right here? You see that? You see deep down inside there? That's where the Ninja Turtles live. And they just said that they're really hungry.
Oh, no.
You don't want to feed them?
Mommy feeds them.
But the Ninja Turtles want you to feed them.
Oh.
They're like, feed me, Roman, I'm hungry.
Oh.
No, you like your cookie too much? It's like, nope, sorry Ninja Turtles, it's my cookie.
Go near?
Oh, you're gonna feed them?
Yeah. No.
No? You don't want to?
I didn't feed them.
Can I give them a little piece of your cookie?
No.
Like this big?
Yeah.
All right, here you guys go. That's for you. There. They're like, thank you, Roman.
I want the hair. A baby fish.
This one?
Yeah.
You want me to give them this one? Okay, he said this one's for you guys. They're like, thank you, Roman.
Here. I have one.
Oh, look at how nice he's being, you guys. Oops. Okay, go ahead. Oh, good job. I think they're full. Yeah, they're full. Thanks for sharing. Bye, Ninja Turtles. Okay, so we are home and relaxing. Look at this lazy girl right here. She's super chill. Say hey.
Hi. Make pizza, please. Wait,
order
Domino's.
I'm not ordering pizza for dinner for the 1000th time. We are not ordering pizza. What? I was gonna make chicken and pasta. You guys really want pizza over chicken and pasta?
Meat lovers. Pizza.
You too?
Everybody wants pizza. 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 Pizza.
They ended up losing that fight. I decided to just make dinner because they have pizza all the time. They do not need pizza. So I'm gonna make them a healthy dinner. They're gonna eat it and like it. Dinner is served and they are eating chicken and pasta with some corn and some cheese.
This is not chicken. It's cheese sticks.
Yeah, is it good?
Uh-huh. I got mommy's pasta.
You love mommy's pasta?
Me
good.
too.
Why don't you sit down before you fall and then you can't eat it?
Pasta too. The cutest thing happened. So I called Socks in the room with me. He climbed up on my bed. I think he knows his name now, like his name. Yeah. And so Socks came up, and he just came up and he just like laid his face down on my chest.
Oh, that's so sweet. He loves his mommy.
I wish I had a cat.
Maybe one day, okay, babe?
Have a pug? Can I get it tomorrow? Why can't I have my pug?
No, we're not getting a dog.
Why?
Cats are not as crazy.
Yes.
Yes, they're they're crazy in their own way, but they're not like as smelly and messy. Roman!
When I'm done, he's gonna eat our food.
Yeah.
My baby.
Does anybody have a cat that eats their food like our cat? You are a goofball. Why do you use your hands? Is that normal? I don't even know if that's normal. Mommy is finally going to sit down and relax and eat this yummy dinner I made. I am exhausted. So tired. I'm just gonna go relax and watch some Netflix and eat this food. So I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog. And if you don't mind, Socks, I know you're probably like super busy looking around and stuff. Do you want to help me end the vlog? Socks? Can you help me in the vlog? Fine. Jeez, rude. So I guess we're not good enough for him. But anyways, if you enjoyed today's vlog, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below. And we'll see you later.